Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Techify Boards. In this video I will show you how to add inline keyboard buttons in any repo. So watch till the end, you can't miss any important steps. I will provide a link of this blog in the description, so check that out. First step, you have to import buttons from Python. Just double click it to copy. Then go to your repo or file where you want to add buttons. Then simply add this line. Second step, you have to decide how many buttons you want to add. Here are few examples. You can add or remove buttons according to your needs, obviously. Let me show you example side by side. If you want to add single button, so it's about here you can see if you want to add single button, add me to your group, only one button. Then use first code. If you want to add a multiple button in one row, then this code is for you. You can add as many buttons as you can. Let me show example also. Here you can see second line, it have two buttons, update and sport. You can add multiple buttons, 3, 4, 5 according to your needs. And if you want to add multiple button in multiple row, for example first row have 2 buttons, second row have 2 buttons, third row have 5 buttons, like that, then this code is for you. And last but not least, if you want to add different type of buttons, for example first row have 1 button, second row have 2 buttons, third row have 1 button, or fourth row have 5 buttons, like that, then this code is for you. Let me show example. Here you can see first row 1 button, second row 2 buttons, third row 1 button. Now come back to blog. I hope you have decided which button you want to add, which style. So here are few examples as I shown you. Instead of adding full code, I have given you examples. You can choose according to your needs which type button you want to add. For example, I am choosing this style. Now where you want to add button. Here your text is finished, just put a comma here and then enter, then paste the code. Now there will be space issue, just backspace it. Now for example I want to add one more line, then simply I will copy this line because it's already have 2 buttons. Now add a comma here and press enter. And remove comma from here. Here you can see I have added 2 buttons in last line. So this is example. You can add multiple buttons. I will show you how to add callback or data also in next video. So first add buttons, you can change your links. And this is square bracket. One square bracket contains one line button. So if you want to add one more button, just before square bracket, add a comma and paste this entire code, inline keyboard button. Let me show you. Just like this. From square brackets, next row will start. So you can add buttons according to that. In one square bracket, one line button. So it's a square bracket from here to here. That means it have 2 buttons. Here is comma. This line will contain 2 buttons. For example, this line 3, it have square bracket from here to here. That means it's only have 1 button. I hope you understand it. And this is a blog. its most used button formats I already provided. That's all in this video. I hope you understand how to add buttons. Let's meet into another amazing video.